One of the biggest fears while traveling is losing your luggage and feeling all the discomfort of the trip. It's not easy to deal with the sudden change of your travel plans and handling the awkward smell of your sweaty clothes. Don't you feel that there's a conflict between being practical and fashionable while traveling? Not anymore. Wayak is the perfect biotech dry cleaning solution that travels with you. Our Wayak-spray uses enzymes that break sweat molecules and encapsulate volatile smells. When traveling, use Wayak on the go and always be prepared for any little slip-ups. For removing stains, use our Wayak-sheets coupled with the spray. Wayak-sheets contain smell-proof technology that will enhance the effect of the Wayak-spray. Use them to remove the excess of the splash. Then spray the stain and erase the mess completely. It's not a refresher, not a deodorant. Wayak is biotechnology in a bottle, engineered to travel with you. Our journey started 2 years ago after listening to more than 100 traveler stories. This inspired us to engineer a solution based on our expertise and research as PhD students in environmental sciences. Enjoy the important adventures of the day and realize the vision beyond your dreams. Shed the extra weight in your life and keep traveling with Wayak.